children, just so they will be glad. Run through the lounge room, playing hide and seek. For little children, trying to find me. So young and so full of life. So young and so full of life. So young and so full of life. So young. She was born in the river May, born of her mother into her mother's hands. She was free as the river was wild. She was so innocent, such a beautiful child. Then it took her away to paradise, where everything was beautiful and very nice. It took away her mother's time and slapped her around a little bit, teach her another one. In and out of institutions, what could they do with this child? Where was a neat solution? But there was nothing they could do, so they gave her to the streets, and she joined all the rest of the hungry and the tired fish.